When we contemplate intelligence, it's easy to look inward, seeing ourselves as the pinnacle of problem-solving, creativity, and innovation. Yet, as we peer into the natural world, a hidden genius emerges from the most unexpected corners of the animal kingdom. From dense forests, windswept savannas, ocean depths, and even our own backyards, animals have evolved remarkable ways to manipulate their environments, use tools, and crack puzzles that challenge our assumptions about the boundaries of intelligence. Consider the world of primates, our closest relatives. In the sprawling forests of Africa, chimpanzees showcase a repertoire of behaviors that speak volumes about their intellect. Watch as a chimp selects a slender branch, meticulously stripping it of leaves to create the perfect termite fishing rod. With patience and dexterity, it inserts the stick into a termite mound, waits for the insects to latch on, then draws out its wriggling prize. This isn't mere instinct. It's a learned tradition, passed from one generation to the next. In another scene, a chimpanzee faces a hard-shelled nut. With practiced precision, it selects a sturdy stone and a flat anvil, setting up its own mini forge. A few well-aimed strikes, and the nut yields its nutritious core. Such acts reveal foresight, planning, and the ability to modify tools for specific needs. Elsewhere in the Americas, capuchin monkeys demonstrate similar ingenuity. These small primates have been observed using stones not only to crack open nuts, but also to dig for hidden treats or pry bark from trees. Sometimes, they even create specialized tools, choosing the right size and shape for the job at hand. What drives these behaviors is not simple trial and error, but a combination of curiosity, experimentation, and social learning. Young capuchins watch their elders, imitate their actions, and improve upon their techniques, weaving a tapestry of innovation that stretches across generations. Yet, intelligence isn't confined to our primate cousins. In the forests of New Caledonia, a sleek black bird picks up a twig, bends it into a hook, and deftly extracts a juicy grub from deep within a tree trunk. This is the New Caledonian crow, a bird whose problem-solving abilities rival those of great apes. In one famous experiment, a crow is presented with a treat floating in a narrow tube of water, just out of reach. Rather than giving up, the crow gathers stones and drops them into the tube, raising the water level until the treat floats within reach. This solution echoes the ancient fable of the thirsty crow, yet it's not a story, it's reality. Even more astonishing, these crows can solve multi-step problems, such as using one tool to retrieve another, which is then used to access food. Such feats require an understanding of cause and effect, memory, and flexible thinking. Dive beneath the waves, and a different kind of intelligence reveals itself. Bottlenose dolphins, with their playful leaps and complex social lives, are renowned for their smarts. But look closer, and you'll find that some dolphins use tools in the wild. In the shallow waters of Shark Bay, Australia, female dolphins pluck marine sponges, fitting them over their snouts as makeshift armor. With this protection, they probe the sandy seabed for hidden fish, avoiding sharp rocks and stings. This behavior isn't universal among dolphins. It's a cultural tradition, taught from mother to calf, demonstrating both innovation and the ability to pass knowledge through generations. Dolphins also excel at understanding symbols, following intricate commands, and cooperating in coordinated hunts, behaviors that reflect advanced cognition and social intelligence. On land, the giants of the savanna display their own brand of cleverness. Elephants, with their massive brains and intricate family bonds, have been observed using branches to swat away flies or scratch itches, plugging water holes with balls of chewed bark to save water for later, and even stacking objects to reach food placed high above the ground. In controlled studies, elephants have demonstrated insightful problem-solving. Faced with food suspended out of reach, an elephant might roll a box beneath the prize, climb atop it, and grasp the food with its trunk. These actions hint at the ability to plan, understand relationships between objects, and perhaps even imagine solutions before acting. A mental leap once thought unique to humans. Beneath the waves, another creature challenges our notions of intelligence, though it couldn't be more different from us. The octopus, with its 8 flexible arms and keen eyes, is a master of escape and improvisation. In aquariums, octopuses have been seen unscrewing jar lids, solving mazes, and even dismantling equipment. In the wild, some octopuses collect coconut shells, carrying them across the seafloor to use as protective shelters, an extraordinary example of tool use among invertebrates. Their ability to remember solutions to puzzles and adapt to novel challenges suggests a sophisticated mind, shaped by the demands of a complex, ever-changing environment. High above, in the canopy or perched in a living room, parrots reveal yet another facet of animal intelligence. The African gray parrot, in particular, has dazzled researchers with its cognitive abilities. The famous Alex could count, name colors and shapes, and even grasp abstract concepts like same and different. Parrots have also been documented using sticks to scratch themselves or dislodge food, and solving intricate puzzles that require coordination and reasoning. Their vocal mimicry, far from being simple imitation, is linked to a deep understanding of social cues and the ability to communicate with both birds and humans. What do these stories tell us? They reveal that intelligence is not the exclusive domain of humanity. Across the tree of life, from mammals to birds, from cephalopods to cetaceans, creatures have evolved astonishing ways to make sense of their worlds. Their actions are not just rote responses to stimuli, but evidence of learning, creativity, and even culture. These abilities challenge us to reconsider our place in nature, reminding us that we are part of a vast continuum of minds, each shaped by millions of years of evolution. As scientists continue to explore the hidden genius of animals, one thing becomes clear. The more we learn, the more we realize how much we share with the wild minds around us. Their intelligence enriches our understanding of life itself, inspiring awe, humility, and a deeper respect for the richness of the natural world. In the end, these remarkable creatures are not just subjects of study. They are fellow travelers on the journey of intelligence, each with their own secrets and stories waiting to be discovered.